Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Corey, aka Mr. Manage, and welcome back for another video. As promised, today we're going to announce the winner of the raffle. Sorry that it's late, wanted to give everyone a chance to get their comments in. Moving on. So today I'm going to do it a little different. I have a huge list. Okay, there is 26 of you. Okay, most of you are on there. I'm surprised Black Hippie's not on here because usually he's up for the giveaways, but that's his choice. I have a random generator behind me from 1 to 26 numbers, and I'm going to hit it a couple times just to show you guys that it is truly random. I'm going to pick one, I'm going to say your name, and then that's it. You see the title, there is another giveaway, which I will get to after this. In general, thank you guys so much for the love and support still. Nothing new with the Camaro. I'm trying to move forward with that. Hopefully getting the clutch replaced here soon and getting some other things taken care of. Maybe so we can at least get a couple of videos of pulls or something like that. But that's pretty much it. So thanks for everyone that commented. Pretty sure some of the people that did comment aren't subscribed, but that's okay. I mean, I don't really have time to go through all that stuff, and I'm a nice person, so I'll still give it away for free because you came and you watched the video, right? So without delaying it anymore, let's get to it. Okay, let me take you off of this stand here. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, so let's see here that yoga ball I'm on. So we're gonna hit generate a couple times here. 7, 17, 5. Okay, so you know that that's totally random, right? So this pick is going to be who wins. Number 10. Let's see who number 10 on the list is. Kenneth Dillon. You are number 10, as everyone can see there. Okay, and just to be sure, we're going to go back to this, and we are going to make sure that he is on the list. Right there. Would love to have the lights. So that's it, Kenneth. It's that simple. You won. What you have to do is I'm going to leave my email in this description, and then you have to email me within the next week. If you do not email me, then I will move on the next video, and I will pick somebody else. Make sure if you want to be in this raffle, you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and you put that you want to be in the raffle. Enter me in the raffle, or throw me in the raffle, or I'd like to be in the raffle, or something like that. Don't just say, yeah, those would look good on my car, because, and I'm not trying to call you out or anything like that, you didn't do anything wrong, but I'm just a real particular person. I'm like that with all the giveaways that I've done. You have to say that you want to be in. So the next thing I'm giving away, which is used as well, because gotta clear space in the garage as usual. Some people might not want this, some might. It'll be a different setup. I have an oil catch can on my car. You guys know that. I remember I had an old oil catch can, which I will link up here. And then, is it always up here? I think it always actually ends up here. I think we'll do it up here. And then I will link it at the end of this video and in the description and on how to install it. And it's just a different setup. So this is my old oil catch can. It still worked just fine. I have a video showing that on the channel, that it caught oil just as much. This one I actually like because it has the little oil dipstick. It comes with this little bracket that I put on. I bought from Ace to set it up my way, and I have these set up like that. If you see the video, these hoses kind of went back. Now, that's not to say that you have to set it up there. There is plenty of other places now that I know my car a little better that you can mount this, and you can obviously change the elbows and whatnot to mount it anywhere in your car to where you can get it to feed. It could be different than the Billet Customs. I mean, it's an oil catch can. It still very much works. It's still baffled. And I forgot how much it was. I think this was like a $25 one on Amazon, so I did like a comparison of a $25 and $100 one. Nonetheless, it is free $99, so I will pay for shipping and everything like that if you guys want it. I'll find all the accessories I have. I will send it with these two connections that it has, as well as the hose and these barbed elbows with this bracket too. So I'm just going to send it like this. If you don't want it, you don't want it. If you do and you have another car you want to use an oil catch can on, cool. This one still very much will get the job done. It's just not as expensive as a $100 one, and it's not exactly the same. So you might have to finick with it and find different ways to put it on. So that's the next thing going to be given away. Also, I will link that oil catch can in the description. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to be in this one, again, comment that you want to be in it, and subscribe. Give the video a share. If you want to get the word around, I would really appreciate it. And I'll come to you guys next video with an update if I have one. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as usual, just a guy living life. Have a good day. I'll see you for the next video. Bye.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. tape my